Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my video. Sorry that I'm not in it, I have to do this on my phone. Sorry about the shadow in the picture as well. I don't know how to get that out. If I stand on a different angle, it's still going to show the shadow. So this is, I'm down at the allotment. I had to come down because I had to go out this morning and I've got a few things to do. So I just come down just to see what's going on and water the things in my... I can't remember what these are, if they're peonies or what. You can see they're coming out in two different places there. They come up every year, and I've got another one down there what's coming up as well. You see how fast they grow once they get a bit of sun and heat. Got my fig tree there. We weeded this out the other day and you see how much the weeds grow in between. These are some elephant garlics and other garlics, and my onions sporadically this year. I've got my my broad beans. I can see some of them have died back, and then some of them are starting to flower now. If I can get in on them, some of them are starting to flower. And then I've got my spinach chard here. You can see they're putting on things. So I've got to soon harvest some of this. Might actually harvest some because I've got some in the fridge, but I don't think it's good. This is my other elephant garlic bed here. You can see that's doing pretty well. I planted some hydrangeas and another plant in these buckets. You can see one hydrangea is doing quite well, and one of them's looking kind of weedy, but I think it should be all right. Got all these hanging baskets and that to do. Next time I was meant to do them today. Like I said, I had to go out, so never got them. Still got some chard here. Always got chard. The strawberries are in there. I've got to sort that out, get this weeded out. Coming back up now. I've got plants and that to put out, but I haven't got the chance to do it yet. Still got some more spinach and chard here. What's coming up? I've got to take the outer leaves off. Got some more garlic here. This is the giant white garlic. Got some tulips along the side there. What's come up, but I've got to sort out that side. I think that one's a rhododendron there, if I'm not wrong, but I don't know what it is yet. Got some rosemary and that what I planted in the tub. That's still going strong, so that should be all right in there. I could put another one in there technically, but I don't feel like it. The sprouting broccoli there, the purple sprouting broccoli. I've harvested this a few times, so it's time for it to come out. And this is a white purple sprouting broccoli. I kept calling it Rashido. We thought it was Rashido, but it's a purple, but it's a white variety of broccoli. Right, come up here. You can see we weeded this one out, and you see the mint has started growing now, so got to start weeding this out and get that sorted out along the sides. Get all this area here cleared up, which we haven't got to do because of the rain and that. But you know, we're getting there. The rose bushes are starting to come back now. Got this elephant garlic bed up here. You can see they're doing quite well. Some of them are thick, like look like leeks, but they're elephant garlics. See, rose bushes along there. The rhubarb is starting to put on leaps and bounds. Right, so really it's just tidying up what I've got to do, moving all these buckets and everything, getting everything sorted and cleaned up, getting rid of some of the rubbish I've got to take away as well. Gonna go in my polytunnel now. Just turn this camera around. Sorry about the jerkiness. Like I said, I'm filming this on my phone because I wanted to have content to show you. So I'm filming it on my phone to show everybody what's going on. Right, polytunnel gold. It's hot in here. It's 36.1 in here. And as you can see, the spinach doing exceptionally well. The lettuce is coming on nicely. The thyme and that is starting to spread out, take up the whole bucket. So maybe I should have just put 2 in there, but it's all right. The herbs that I planted are doing pretty well in here. The beetroot is coming on really nicely. I've got these what I've got to put out, but I need to courgettes and that. See some more broccoli and cabbages coming up. 1 tub of onions is coming up. I don't know if you can see them on this, which I don't understand. The oregano and all that's doing pretty well. Got carrots in here are starting to do very well as well. But all the ones I put some extra seeds in there, and I don't see that many popping up. But the ones what I put it in the bucket in fresh dirt and all that, that's all come up. The potatoes doing exceptional well. You can see what I said from the last video. I said give them a couple of days and that, and they'll start coming through. It's funny I ain't seen. I'll see a couple of peas starting to come through now, but they should have come through already. But that's how it goes. Sorry, I've still got a bit of cold, so you have to bear with me a bit. And then the Scotch bonnet, you can see that's putting on leaves. The hot lemon, I don't know if that's going to survive. Got all spiders and everything hanging down in here, so don't want to get bitten. Got sage there, parsley, curry leaves, oregano, another parsley there. So everything in the polytunnel is coming along nicely. I just want to see more action on these, which I hope so. My 1 potato challenge is starting to come through now, so everything's more or less coming through. So if you like our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you on them. See, the strawberries doing pretty well, flowering nicely. These ones just started flowering as well on the other side. So more or less, I've got my lilies, one of my favourite flowers. It's looked like it's taken over the whole pot this time. And I've got some daffodils coming through there. So basically it's just tidying up and getting everything sorted, and then well, good to get our season well on the way. I've got things to plant outside as well. As soon as you dig up and clean up, you come back, and then you know what always pops its head. these little weeds always pop up every now and then, but it's all part and parcel of what the allotment is about. So got 6 hanging baskets to sort out there. I'll sort that out, get all the things, get everything, all these pots and everything taken up. This neighbour of mine is a nuisance. He just leaves everything lying around and it causes problems all the time. So all I'm going to do now is get the bits for my hose, give everything a water, and see this top bed's ready for the pumpkins. Just going to spread out this manure a bit more. I might put some other things up here as well apart from pumpkins. I'll see how it goes. If I can get a trellis or something in here, I might put some beans up here as well, but I've got that big that spreads out, that peony I think it is. And then you see that these 2 stumps have started to green up now, so I've got to address that. I've got to address this arbor. You can see it's leaning to one side, so I've got to address that. So it's just a quick update. Next video you see me doing a bit more. Got at the hanging basket, I've got the seeds to put in, I've got things, I've got the hoops and everything to put back in the beds and get the broccolis and everything into the ground outside and get them covered over. Woke up this morning, came out, and the ground was covered with frost, so I hope that's the last frost, but with the English weather you never know. So you all take care. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.